The Center for Wellness is physically located at the American Center, which has really unique hands-on spaces for learning. And so there's a learning kitchen, there's an aquatic center, there's movement rooms, sports performance spaces where you can really engage directly in learning. The patient can expect something that's personalized and really in line with their values. So there's a lot of different offerings that we might connect you with. One of those offerings is a 60-minute consult with a physician that takes into account your personal medical history, family history, medications, but then aligns a plan both with your values and really things that you can do for yourself to stay healthy. That plan is often supported by a health coach where you can meet with them in person or via phone, typically once a week for a series of weeks, to really provide support for the changes that you're trying to make. We also have group medical visits where many people are seen together, focusing perhaps on stress reduction or on healthy eating. The benefit of that is that it's social. You have a social connection and that you can learn from each other's experiences. And then beyond that, there's a whole variety of classes and complementary services that we also offer. The wellness services aren't meant to replace the great care we get from primary care, but it's really to just extend the boundaries of the care. If you as a patient were to come in for a wellness service, one of the things that we do is we try to create specific health goals, and then we communicate those goals to your primary doctor, and we document them in the medical record, which I think humanizes the care and makes your health goals known to the people who help care for you at the wellness center, but to your regular doctor and the other specialists that care for you. Well, if you're interested in making a connection at the wellness center, one of the easiest ways to get started is by having a wellness intake. And that's a complimentary session with a health coach. It can be done in person or on the telephone. And we use a tool to try to get a sense of what your wellness interests are and to try to connect you with the next step, whether that's a consultation with the physician or a class or something else.